All right, this is how you take the front bumper off. First, when you pop the hood, you're gonna have plastic clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips, right? And they're gonna be little plastic clips that you need to pry out. Then you're gonna look in here. There's gonna be a 10mm nut, like a 10mm bolt right here, right on the inside of the fender. And then on this side of the fender, a 10mm nut or a bolt right in there. All right, so you get those out. Then you're gonna come down to the fender well here, and you're gonna have clips here that hold these in. So 1, 2, 3 clips. Once you get those 3 clips, you're gonna pry this back, and right up here there's 2 bolts that go up. 1, 2. Okay, so it's 2 10mm bolts. You pull those out, and then once you get those 2 out, what you're going to do is pry this back even further, and you're going to put 10mm with an extension in through here. And what's going to happen is down here, let's see, it's trying to see where it is. There's another one down. It's going to be down in there. If I could find a better spot to see it. Oh, yeah. You can see it better on this side. You can see where, right there, there's like where the fender meets the front bumper cover. You see like that black strip right there? You see that little nut? You see a bolt sticking out right there. That bolt sticking out right there is what you're gonna get to. It's a little nut, 10mm, and that's it. You get that off, then the whole thing will pry right off. So that's the stud that you're getting when you put the extension in from back here. You're gonna get to that guy right there. You see him? That's it. Once you get those off, just pull the whole front bumper off.